Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Plum Investment Pots. Review my usage experience. Plum Investment Pots Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for automated investing, specifically designed for individuals looking to build a diversified investment portfolio with minimal effort. It aims to simplify investing by automatically allocating funds into different asset classes based on your risk tolerance. Key features seem to include automated savings, investment diversification, and regular contributions. Their website provides details on their various investment pots and the underlying strategies. They emphasize ease of use and transparency, stating there are no hidden fees, and while I couldn't find information about contracts, the overall impression is one of simplicity and accessibility. They highlight the use of algorithms to optimize portfolio allocation, though the specifics of these algorithms aren't readily available on the surface. Availability is seemingly widespread, given it's an online service, but specific regional restrictions would need to be checked on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Plum Investment Pots. Getting started was incredibly easy. The sign-up process took maybe 5 minutes, and connecting my bank account was straightforward. The interface is clean and intuitive. I especially appreciated the clear visual representation of my portfolio allocation and performance. I found navigating to different sections, adjusting my risk profile, and monitoring my investment growth very simple. The platform's performance has been excellent so far. I haven't experienced any glitches or delays. I had a quick question about tax implications, and their support responded within 2 days via email, not the fastest, but acceptable. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the automated investment process. It completely removes the mental burden of managing my investments. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Managing my investment solely on a desktop was sometimes inconvenient. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for customizing my investment strategy, but after some exploration, I found it manageable. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Plum Investment Pots. It's streamlined my investing process and taken away a lot of the stress. That's my overview of Plum Investment Pots. Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.